Hello ladies and gents, Alex V here. As promised, after all the repairs have been finished on the old Vito, I am gonna show you now the end result. And there you go, all the rust has been cleared away, rust protected. And remember that old bit, there was a big hole in there. Well, that now is gone, obviously, and the corner that was missing, and obviously the whole, I see. Hey, now that's looking a bit different, isn't it? So yeah, all done now. All the structural is been done, prepared. Bumper is back on. Yeah, she's looking all right at the moment. So there's a little project ongoing there with a side exhaust as well coming through. So the fabrication on that has been previously done. But yeah, it's been a very productive day, and both vehicles been washed and they all looking nice and sparkly. Wheels, and next on the agenda will be these bad scratches here. So we're gonna start with the repairs on that, and we got a very interesting project coming on along here. Now this is a very interesting project. Now I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with this, but believe me, it's gonna be something that will blow your mind. You haven't seen these before. I'm not gonna tell you where they are from, so just keep on watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like our videos, and as always, see you next time on another episode with Alex V. Take care, stay safe, stay indoors.